you looking for Victorville, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Victorville, California, or if you're just thinking about moving to Victorville, California. Check out this Victorville, California virtual open house home tour. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Victorville, California real estate agent with the Exp Realty. Welcome to this Victorville 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. You're gonna love the open floor plan, nice fireplace, kitchen has nice countertops, nice cabinetry, very open view to the backyard. Very nice house, very clean. Recent paint inside, recent paint outside. Let's go through and take a look at it, come on.